This video will show you how to make your bed after washing your bedding set. Correctly installing the base sheet is essential for maximizing the comfort and functionality of the patent-pending Comfort Toes bedding system. As the foundation of the system, it secures all other layers in their proper place. Begin with the base sheet, easily identified by the logo, hook and loop strips, and button locks facing up. If the button locks were removed, locate the fitted sheet with the hook and loop fastening strips and logo. Reattach the button locks in their original positions, ensuring they are evenly aligned on each strip. Start by securing the foot end of the bed. Once loosely positioned, ensure the hook and loop strip at the foot end aligns with the edge of the mattress. Next, tuck the sheet around the head of the mattress, then along the sides. With the base sheet properly in place, lay the top sheet loosely over it, double-checking that the label is facing up. Attach the top sheet to the base using the button locks. A helpful tip: angle the top barrel button upward and guide the end through the hole for easier fastening. Once secured, smooth out the sheet. You can tuck it in now or wait until the comforter is attached. Now, attach the comforter just like you did the top sheet, making sure the labels are facing up before securing it with the button locks. Once it's in place, smooth all around. Return your pillows to the bed and enjoy your day. If you know others who also suffer from nighttime foot pain, please send them to www.comforttoesbedding.com.